Hey, 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 we got our windshield. So what you guys see here is obviously a windshield, and this windshield is for the project car that I'm building. So it's off of a Saturn Aura, and I chose this windshield because it is wider than conventional windshields. It's narrow at the top, and it also has a pretty good height. That gives us a better profile for a sleeker look on the car. The second thing I like about it is that it has a nice black edge that goes all the way around the windshield. And I like that a lot. That gives it a nice modern look. The third thing I like about it is it's readily available and it's cost effective. In other words, it's cheap. I got this one for $100. So those are the three things I like about this glass, and it's perfect for our project. I couldn't probably not find a better one. Maybe there might be one better choice out there, but we're not gonna go looking because it's getting cold outside. All right, so what's next for us to do is we're going to take as many dimensions as we can of this windshield because we want to measure this in a three-dimensional space, not just 2 dimensions, because we want to use those measurements to be able to model this windshield in a CAD software accurately. Once we have that model, we're going to import it into our design that we have to make sure that our design will fit this windshield. And that's important. If we design the body and we don't have a windshield that fits, that's going to make the kit harder to build for everybody. So that's what we're going to do with this windshield. All right, we're going to need our measuring tape for this. Where did it go? Nothing's sacred around here. We gotta mine for everything. Gotta go to the toolbox just to get our measuring tape. Where does this place come to? Hey. So this is our datum. From this corner to that corner is going to be a straight line, and then from that line we're going to measure how far out this edge is from that line at maybe 10-inch increments, 8-inch, 10-inch, and we're also going to measure how high it comes off this table. And in order to get this accurately, this table is going to have to be flat, and I've made sure this table is flat. We're going to go ahead, measure that, take our dimensions. We're going to do that all the way around. This edge and then the other 3 sides. Write down some measurements. Okay. Goddamn chicken scratch. Wind. What the heck is going on? Windshield. And then our sad attempt. Okay. Looks like it's gonna be 58 3/8. Only a chicken could read that. We got what we need. Let's get the hell out of here. So now that we have the measurements for our windshield, we can draw it up in CAD. What I'm using here is Rhino 3D, and let's go ahead and draw it up. we're going to establish our datum, and that would be 58 3/8. 58, and I'm going to attach the line at the middle. Our windshield goes out 2 inches. If we turn on control points, pull it out to the edge of that line. Alright, and then the height of that curve actually goes up 0.75. And now we're going to take the control points of our line and we're going to move them up so that they match the top of the lines that we drew. And we're going to draw the other 3 sides, and then we can make our windshield. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, now that we have the windshield, we're just going to save it. And then let's open up our model of the car, and we're going to import the windshield. Super Tramp. Let's do this in a ghosted view. And let's import our windshield. Windshield final. So here's our windshield, and we're just going to position it onto the car this way. Move it down this way. And then from the front view, we'll rotate it up. Move it back, move it up, rotate it down a little bit, a little more down, move it up, and there's the placement of our windshield. Blam. Put it in the rendered view. You see why I like that windshield? It's wide at the bottom, narrow at the top. It's beautiful. So it's going to work for us very well. So that's the windshield. We finally have it, and it's a crucial part to finishing the modeling work for the design of our car body. And now that we have it, we can go ahead and finish up our design. And the next time you see me, most likely this car will be done and we can finally start machining the plugs for it. See you guys next time.